If your hair is dry, breaking, shredding, or refusing to grow, this deep conditioner might be exactly what you need. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Suvi's hair care channel where we focus on natural hair care, DIY treatments, and healthy hair growth using ingredients that actually work. So today I'm sharing a hibiscus deep conditioner made with hibiscus, flaxseed, AMLA, and your regular conditioner. This combo is chef's kiss for moisture, strength, slip, and shine. We're using 2 tablespoons of hibiscus, 1 tablespoon of amla, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, and now we're adding it to 1.5 cup of boiling water. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll share how to use it properly so you don't overload your hair and still get the best result. So now that our herbal mixture is finished, we are just straining it. Please be careful while straining because it's hot and you don't want to get burned. While I'm straining, let me tell you some of the benefits of these ingredients for our hair. Hibiscus is rich in amino acid that helps strengthen the hair shaft. It improves elasticity, reduces breakage, and adds a natural shine that makes hair look healthier instantly. Flaxseed creates a natural gel that gives incredible slip. It helps soften tangled hair, reduces frizz, and help your strands retain moisture longer, which is key for length retention. AMLA is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps strengthen weak strands, reduce excessive shredding, and support healthy scalp conditions that promote growth. And guys, now that we finished straining our herbal mixture, I just add 1 more tablespoon of my amla powder. So in total, there's 2 tablespoons of amla powder in this deep conditioner. 1 tablespoon I added when I was going to make the herbal mixture, and now I just add my 2nd tablespoon of amla powder, and I'm just giving it a good mix because I want the amla powder to dissolve, because I do not want any powders, any lumps while I'm using my deep conditioner. And also we'll be adding 3 tablespoons of regular conditioner inside of this deep conditioner. You can add any moisturizing conditioner of your choice, any regular conditioner that you know your hair loves. You can add it in this deep conditioner. You can add 3 tablespoons, or you can make this recipe your own by adding enough for your hair, for your length, and for your length and the thickness of your hair. So this is just enough for me, and I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of my regular moisturizing conditioner inside of it. And now I'm going to mix it once again. This is the final mix, and guys, together this deep conditioner helps to reduce breakage, improve moisture retention, strengthen weak hair, add softness and shine. And as soon as you see your deep conditioner turn into a creamy smooth consistency, that's it. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's powerful. So we apply this deep conditioner to clean damp hair in sections. Make sure you fully coat your strands, especially your ends, because that's where moisture is needed the most. And you cover your hair with a plastic cap. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. For deeper conditioning, add gentle heat using a hoodie dryer or warm towel. And guys, you can add any 1 tablespoon of any oil of your choice. After leaving this on for 20 to 30 minutes and you rinse it out, your hair should feel softer, stronger, easier to detangle, and more moisturized. If this recipe helped you, don't forget to like this video because guys, it really supports the channel. Drop a comment below and tell me your hair type and whether you'll try this deep conditioner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.